Hey everyone, hope you're doing really well and you're having a great day. My name is Paul and I'm with Realdigiads and I'm also a realtor. In today's video training, I'll show you how to create a successful search campaign by community or subdivision on Google using the Realdigiads platform. It's easy. Let's dive right in. Click New Campaign. We currently offer Google search campaigns by city, subdivision, or community. This will be a campaign by community, so I'm going to click on New Campaign. Here you have the option where we can complete the setup for you, or you could do it yourself. I'm going to select Self-Guided. Now the system automatically named my campaign with my name and that it's a campaign by community. I'm going to change this so I can easily identify my campaign to the name of the community I'm marketing. This is where you need to add your city and state, and to do that, enter your city and select the city and state from the drop-down list. Very important. This is where you'll add the name of the community or subdivision. By default, your campaigns will be in English, but you can change them. We recommend a starting budget of at least $20 a day, and as far as ad schedule, every day, all day. As your campaign progresses, you could tweak these settings, but for now we're going to leave it as is and click Next. Our ad group has automatically been created. Here's the name of the ad group, city and state, name of community or subdivision. These are our preloaded keywords. As you can see, the name of the community is with the keywords. These are high converting keywords for real estate. We also recommend adding in your name and the name of your brokerage or team. If you'd like to add more keywords, they're over here. Just check a box and they'll appear, but I'm going to remove it, and here's why. We use artificial intelligence, machine learning to optimize campaigns. When your campaign starts, it'll be in a learning phase, and it needs as much data as possible. Adding in more keywords that will get clicks and not necessarily convert will not help you. In addition, you'll need to increase your budget. So we're going to leave it as is and click Next. This is our ad. We're going to name it. The destination URL is the landing page. I've created a landing page for Sea Ranch. As far as display URL, your home page is fine. These are responsive search ads. You can have up to 5 headlines and 4 descriptions. To have all 5, just click. They're pre-filled. Feel free to change them. Same thing with ad descriptions. We also have a campaign glossary with ideas for headlines and descriptions to help you. This is what my ad will look like. I'm going to click Complete, but we're not done. Google offers ad extensions to make your ad stand out more, capture more clicks, and more potential conversions. And of course, we've done most of the work for you. So click on Create Extensions. These are call-out extensions. You can have up to 6. Click to add 2 more. They're pre-filled. Again, you can change them to whatever you would like. Use our glossary for ideas. This is what the ad will look like. These are the call-out extensions at the bottom. These are structured snippets. You could have up to 6 of these as well. Change them to whatever you would like. And it looks kind of similar to the call-out extensions. And these are site link extensions, my favorite. We've created a video about site link extensions that is very informative, and I highly recommend that you watch the video. You'll have a much better understanding of how this works. Essentially, with site link extensions, it provides a way to market multiple landing pages, properties, subdivisions, cities within one campaign. This campaign is about selling condos at Sea Ranch Club. This first site link will be gated communities of single-family homes in Boca Raton. This next one will be Alina Condos. This is a new community in downtown Boca Raton, very high-end. You could walk to restaurants and shopping. And this third link will be for Fieldbrook Estates, which are estate homes in a gated community. Take a look. Our Google ad ended at the word home. Look how large it is now. A lot of real estate around our ad. Makes it stand out more. In addition, when they click our ad, they'll be brought to the landing page to view condos at Sea Ranch Club. If they click on Boca Gated Communities, they're brought to a different landing page to view single-family homes in different gated communities. Same thing with Alena and Fieldbrook. Click Complete. Our campaign has been sent over to Google Ads to be reviewed to make sure we're in compliance with their policies and procedures, and we should be live within 24 to 48 hours.